Right tools for right job. This is your host, Noor Ali. So here are some bits. Most important thing is your drill bits, right? You need to keep your drill bits clean, keep it in a safe spot, because you never know when you need them. If you have a construction job, or you want to drill a hole, you want to install something, anything like that, you will need drill bits, right? Drill bits. And then of course, having your tools in a clean bag, in the right place, when you need it, you will have it. Remember, the right tools for right job. This is your host, Noor Ali. Thank you.